Hello everyone, Jeffery Krueger here. What you're looking at is a leveled off surface plate and a zeroed in scale. This is not a tutorial, this is how I assemble a round to shoot in my 45 ACP. And I use my Lyman True Line press that I have modified, and I really like it. And so let's just get started. First off, I take the pan from the scale and I put it right up against the nozzle on the dispenser, because when the grains come out of there, they bounce all over the place, so that just sort of keeps that together. And as you can see, it's not quite leveling off in the scale, so I use this trickler, and the trickler brings that right up to exactly where I want it to be. And I do this with every single round. I get it just perfect. If I get a little too much in there or something, I just dump it back in the dispenser. Repeat the process. So that is exactly the amount of powder that I want in my round. So I take my cartridge and I use my cartridge funnel, and I put all of that measured amount in there, every bit of it. So then get that all in there. So you can see there's the charge in the cartridge. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and assemble this 230 grain copper jacketed bullet. And I just nest that in that little flare that I made. Get a little straighter than that. There we go. I nest that in there, and then I just bring that home. Then I take the tapered crimper. It really doesn't crimp, I have it set so it just brings the brass back into specifications. Now the round is completely assembled and ready to go. I just need to just measure it for length, and that comes out at a length of 1.272. So that's going to work very nicely in my gun. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and have an excellent day, everyone.